Today we shall see a very useful extension in Sketchup to bend objects in 360 degree, that is true bend. Select an object and click on True Bend. You can see a red handle. You can click and drag the red handle in either directions to bend the object as per angle or distance. Once you click on red bar and type the desired angle and press enter, the object is bent as per the angle given. For example, if you click and hold the red handle and type 120 degree and press enter, you can see the wall is bent and fixed to that angle, and again press enter to end the command. You can also bend an object as per the segments required by typing S behind the value. For example, if you want to bend this wall for 6 segments. Click on Object, select True Bend, click and hold the red bar and type 6s and press enter. You can observe the object is bent as per segments on edge curve. By default, True Bend only works on one axis. Learn more SketchUp content from Arjun's architectural designs.